Hey, Todd here with you from Todd's Garage. Back in Wisconsin at the home of Wabam, an up-and-coming company here in Hartford, Wisconsin, in the detail world. Let's go inside and let's see the company. Joe!
Hey, Todd, how are you doing?
Great.
Nice to see
Joe
you.
Jr. from Wabam. Joe is going to run us through the product line here at Wabam.
Let's do it.
So this is exciting. I've been in the detailing realm here for a while now. I've been detailing cars since I was 16. Obviously, I'm way beyond 16, Joe. Massive product market out there in the detail world.
Oh, yeah.
So very exciting. Wisconsin-based, USA-based, right down to the packaging, the boxes, even the bottles are all USA-based. So this is exciting.
Yep.
Love that it's a cheesehead company here in Wisconsin. Sure. I love that. I know it all started with hand soap. So tell us, how did we get from hand soap to detailing?
As you can see in the background, we get into a lot of janitorial. So I would say the Wabam and the detailing end maybe wasn't even a thought when this all started. But we really started with the hand soap and our wet wipes. And that was 4 years ago. We did a show here locally in Wisconsin, and you know, one thing led to another that really went well, and me being a guy that loved to keep my stuff clean, I just talked to my brother and kind of came up with an idea to start a detail line company. So our first product here was Whiplash, a quick detailer, ultimate, you know, we kind of hang our hat on the ultimate cleaners, you know, and this is our Whiplash quick detailer spray. So simple spray and wipe application. It's the weekend one we always talk about, taking to the car show and keeping in the car, truck, or bike, or whatever you're doing.
So that's the one. I get to the car show with the truck with the square body. Yep. I pop that out with some microfiber towels. I get it all cleaned up for cars and coffee, and I'm good to go for the whole day.
Yep, good to go for the day. Fingerprint, smudge, dust, we just keep that in there. So, yep, exactly. And this is kind of, we just set it up. We'll show you everything real quick, but this would be some of our real high sellers. And we are big into the cannons, so pressure washer application with a foam cannon on one or with a snub gun. That's kind of how we really promote our business.
And you know what? I love the name Snow Machine. Because when you spray it, the whole car looks like it's covered in snow.
You betcha. Shaving cream, So, fall off is our degreaser. When we talk about the steps and the process, if we have something we're starting out pretty grody, because we do a lot of industrial, all the way up to very high-end details. So, you know, we don't necessarily need all of these tools, but they're nice to have them. So we start with degreasers, and then we get into washing and a ceramic rinse. So that's kind of something we can run through a cannon right there. And then when we got it all clean, we can fine tune with our other products. And like we said, quick detailer, tire shine, and then we can go in an array of other angles.
So the fall off, this is going to be bugs, road tar.
Yep.
And the neat stuff about that is Joe was showing me that it's not so caustic. It's not going to eat your skin off. It's got a pleasant smell to it versus some of the other degreasers that are on the market that you really got to watch what you put them on, especially with the exterior cars, different plastics, different PPFs and everything. Yep. This is safe for all of that.
Very safe. We do all the downfilling locally here in Hartford, so we are well aware of what these products do to your hands and all that, and we know, and we pride ourselves on a very safe line of products. So streaking on trailers, campers, awnings, all that kind of stuff, that black rain streaking, it's huge in that market. It's a very diverse product that can do so much.
So the other thing, and I read about your product, is tell us about the tire products. You got the shine.
Yep. So we can do slash.
Slash.
Our first step is getting that brake dust off and all that. So this is their slash, tire and wheel cleaner. Spray on, agitate if needed, rinse off. If we're rinsing with a garden hose, we probably agitate a little. If you're using a pressure washer, it could be a spray and rinse application.
And by agitating, you just mean get the plastic brush out or get a rag out
brush,
and work
a
it
mitt, whatever you're using, correct.
Cool.
You know, it's all about reducing friction in the washing world to eliminate scratching, which is going back to the foam. That's why foaming is killer. You're eliminating creating the scratches because we have much less friction. So, and then tire shine. So our product called Shine. Rubber, plastic, conditioner, it's a dirt repellent, and also a tire shine. It just does outstanding. We're very big in the off-road, and we do great with Shine when we talk about dirt repellents, but then we do a whole 180 and we're at a show and guys are trying to dial in their tires, we go to Shine. So,
perfect.
And
then I've heard great stuff from a mutual friend of ours about the aluminum polishes.
Yep, we have a heavy cut and a fine cut metal polishes for your your polished wheels, your chrome wheels, any kind of polished metals. So these do outstanding, can be hand work or machine work. We do interior from just a quick interior detail spray all around, safe on screens and glass. And then when we want to condition that leather and vinyl, we can treat everything, UV protection and all.
And hey, let's open that up for a second.
Yeah.
You know what, the one thing, if we're talking interiors, all right, it smells wonderful.
You gotta have the smells, right?
Yeah.
We don't ever sell the smells and really put those as the #1 point, but once you get Wabam in your hand, your shop just starts to smell great.
Yeah,
it's a beautiful thing.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, we have, we get big back into the industrial end, so we have pH neutralizers, floor scrubbing soaps, all that. This is a beautiful product called Vanish. So we do very well in the municipal world and the private contractors with the snowplows. Our glass cleaner, streak-free, tin-safe, ammonia-free. Our Blast is a foaming citrus cleaner, just a great all-purpose cleaner, whether we're cleaning benches like this and carts, or we're in a work truck with vinyl floors and grody steering wheels and stuff like that.
Right. So I mean, we got the black residue on the steering wheels. We're
foam it up,
spray it on.
Lay a rag behind her so it's not hosing on everything. We foam up that steering wheel real well. We let it eat at it and we wipe it off. We touched on our Slash. Hydro is our water spot remover quick detailer. So when we talk about boats, this is going to be where we go right away.
Perfect.
You get caught under a sprinkler, 90 degrees sun, bakes the water spots on, stuff like that. Awesome detailer with the water spot remover. And then we get into a ceramic line. So we also kind of go next level into a full ceramic line. Yeah. And these are some of our maintenance products in that. We have a 90-day slick quick detailer, has a low dose of SiO2 in it to give you premium hydrophobic features, just outstanding. Very fun to watch when you put it on and get caught in the rain or your next wash. And then we go one step above and we have a 6-month plus quick detailer. So you get 6 months, application's a little different. Very easy here, just for the end user, very simple, could do it anywhere. This is something we like to do with a cool surface, in a shop, stuff like that. So, and we can get into all that for anybody. We're here to help. Our customer service is #1, and when we have questions, we're here to answer them.
Right, so this is going to be quickie detailer, ceramic protection, but you also have a great ceramic product out.
Yeah, we do. We have a full...
And here it comes on the cart.
Yeah, we're setting up the carts today, but we have a full ceramic here that is called Octane. So it's a 10H full graphene ceramic. This has an 8+ year rating on it, if installed properly. So we do get into the full ceramics, and then we also have a turbo, which is a windshield ceramic, and then stage is our prep prior to a ceramic. So at the moment, we're not into the compounds, but we hope to have compounds out at some point. So, after we're done
so we can flat sand, wet sand, and buff and stuff.
And paint correct and all that. And then once we're done doing that, then we go to our stage and we apply our octanes.
Well, this is amazing. The reason I'm here is because Rod Todd's Garage has got a brand new Z06 Corvette to do here in town in Wisconsin. And you know what? We're going to use the Wabam Octane on it. So we're going to have a follow-up video coming up later on this week. But Joe, this has been amazing. Yeah. I love that it's Wisconsin. I mean...
Yeah, I hear you. I'm so glad you came by. It's awesome.
But, and we're United States made in the 100%. USA. Yeah. And the way things are going now with our new election and our president coming back, this is going to be fantastic.
Yeah, we're very excited.
Folks, this is a 4-year-old company that is killing it, doing great things here for the state of Wisconsin. They just got back from SEMA. They had a great product demonstration. 3rd year at SEMA.
Yep, that was 3rd year, going real well.
3rd year at SEMA. So, hey, buy American, buy from Wisconsin, and watch for Rod Todd's Garage because we're going to do a little follow-up on this Wabam. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day.